Welcome back guys to another video and today we're going to be looking at the news and the data that come in from USA just tonight, okay? So stay with me until the end that we're going to be discussing as well why did the US dollar get so strong from yesterday to now. All right, we saw a big up move as well on USDJPY, so lots and lots of things happening around the market and I want to do a little update on that as well. Okay, so before we start, I do have something to talk with everyone. First one is, please subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. It's so easy for you to just click on the thumbs up and it helps us, to grow the channel and expand this and send this content to all of the people like you that are hungry to learn, okay? Another thing is tonight from 7 to 8 p.m. I'm gonna be hosting my webinar as usual on Thursdays, and you're more than welcome to come along with us. It's free, we don't charge anything, and the easiest way to register is just go to the description of the video and clicking the register for the webinar. Click on the description and then it will be there, register for the webinar tonight, and then you will be redirected to ACY website and you can just put your email so we can send you the Zoom link. All right, so that has been said. I'm looking at you and you haven't given us a thumbs up yet, so I'm waiting for that. All right, I'm gonna wait and I'm waiting and I'm waiting. Okay, yeah, everyone did give us a thumbs up, so that's good. I think we can start the actual content. All right, guys, again, thank you so much for having me again here and coming to watch us. So I do have some things I want to talk about. And the first one is what is coming tonight. So 10:30 p.m. we're going to have the GDP quarter one for the USA. We're going to have GDP price index and core durable goods, retail investors, excluding the automotive investors, the inventories, and core PCE prices. All right. So of course the most important ones are the GDP quarter one and the initial jobless claims. The GDP quarter is expected to come at 1.3%, all the way up from 3.4%. That was the previous, okay? If you've been watching us and if you've been following all the content we post here, I've made a video a couple months ago talking about the quarter growth about the of USA, and it's pretty easy to see that it is not going very well, and this of course is weakening the US dollar. But then you come to me and say, look mate, the consensus is at 1.3, the previous was 3.4, so why is the US dollar so strong at this moment? My friends, there is a very easy reason why is the US dollar so strong at this moment. So if you haven't yet seen, okay, I'm gonna put, you guys can see here the US dollar index in the 4-hour. You can see that right now is at the price of 106.12, okay, and it has been roving around this for a couple of hours already. It was stagnating to go above the 106, but once it breached the 106, it just kept going, all right? So I'm going to read one of the comments I've made on my daily blogs. If you don't know, yes, we do offer daily blogs on the ACY website into the learn. So go into learn, go ACY website, go learn, and then education. Market analysis, go into market analysis, and you're going to be able to have all the analysis every day. So the US dollar made a comeback yesterday, reversing its early declines. This recovery was largely driven by statements from the Federal Reserve Governor Michelle Bowman. We've balanced out the comments made by other Fed officials earlier in this week. Her hawkish stance underscores her expectation that inflation will remain elevated for some time. Okay, so she basically say that she believes inflation will continue to be higher for an extended period of time. That that shows to us that yes, there is a possibility yet for the Fed to don't cut any time this year, all right, and maybe only next year. So they will be keep pausing and pausing. Look, to be honest, that's nothing out of this wood. I've mentioned this on Monday video or Tuesday. I think it was Tuesday video. If you're watching us, if you're looking at the content, you would be expecting this move to happen already, okay? Now, what does that have to do with trading? We can look for euro-dollar, for instance, right? The US dollar is strong, therefore euro-dollar is dropping. Well, right now at this exactly moment, euro-dollar is going a little bit up, but still, we did have a massive drop because of the ECB, and then another massive drop because of NFP, and then now another drop in still on a consolidation run, but it was another drop. You could be profitable from that drop because of the comments from Michelle. All right, Michele or Michelle. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce her name. So these are the reasons why the US dollar is so strong. Now, if we look for the GDP tonight, most probably, yes, it will come as consensus is expecting. And if it comes any lower than 1.3, most probably the euro dollar will break through the level where it is supporting at this moment, the level of 106.93, 107, okay? So if we look at the chart, 106.680 to 106.75. So that range there is holding euro dollar to not go below. If we have a higher, if we have a higher GDP, if it comes anything above 1.3%, therefore we most probably will see euro dollar dropping. Otherwise, if it comes as expected or below, we can see euro dollar going all the way up again on the range. To be honest, that's my possibility. I do think that the GDP will come a little bit lower, and therefore euro will gain strength and go up for the euro dollar. Now, we saw as well USDJPY with the strong moves happening on the US dollar. We saw USDJPY breaking through the level of 160 again. This is 32 years high. All right, so we've never seen this price back to 32 years ago. And it's just so crazy because the market thought that would be another intervention as soon as it touches the 160, but until now it hasn't happened, all right? It haven't happened yet. I'm not saying that we won't, but maybe we see another intervention. We did have a Forex committee around the globe, and what they were saying about the Bank of Japan is that they're not considered about, look, they've spent $63 billion on manipulating the yen on the last time in March, but they're not considered a manipulated currency manipulation central bank. They are only considered a currency manipulated forward central bank. So that means is they say something and the market already anticipates, and then the market moves on that way, but they don't spend actual money. Look, it's kind of strange after they spend $63 billion on manipulating JPY to be stronger currency for a period of 2 months, and they would have to do it again. If they do it again, inflation will become higher because they're having exaggerate consumption and exaggerate cost to drive the JPY that strong. So in my opinion, we may see 165 level get reached pretty soon. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us and watching again. Just another reminder, I'm going to be hosting my webinar tonight, 7 to 8 p.m. So I'll wait you there. And if you have any questions, if you want to talk to me, please come to the webinar and let's have a chat. All right. I'll wait you there, and have a good Thursday, a good Friday, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.